Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Thanksgiving dinner surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Thanksgiving dinner surprise fold, we're going to begin by folding our paper. Now the first thing, if you have a cat on your paper, you want to move the cat off of it. And then we're going to begin by folding our paper in half. So we're just going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold like we're making a birthday card. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take our paper and we're going to fold it in half one more time. This way we kind of have like a bookmark shape. Then when you open it up, we have these nice little guidelines in here, and these will help us keep our drawing inside. Now to begin, let's start by making the top of our little dish. So we're going to make this in like a serving platter. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to just go up. It's going to come over and then come down here. Then right here at the top, I'm going to make a little line that goes up, over, and down. And then I'll make one more. It's going to go up, over, and then down. Now, starting here, I'm going to kind of turn my paper a little bit, and I'm just going to make a nice long line right down the top of our fold here. So we're just going to make it go right across here. Sometimes the paper gets a little bit bumpy, so it's a little tricky to go all the way across. Then I'm going to make a line that comes down on each side. And then we're going to make a line that comes across here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. We're going to come over and then up for the bottom of our little serving platter. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little line that comes down. It's going to go over and then up, kind of like a triangle shape. Then I'm going to make one more going the other direction like this. That's kind of like a little reflection on our serving platter. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our serving platter, the bottom and then the top. So along the top, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a line that comes down a little farther. And then we'll just go ahead and draw a line across. Now, we want to start making all of the food that comes inside of here. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a little bit more of a line right across here, just to make it a little bit darker and to kind of show where my line is. Now, let's start over here. Let's make a bowl of mashed potatoes. So let's begin right here, and we're going to make a nice line that's just going to come down and up and a big smiley face. And then we'll draw a line across. I'm going to make kind of like a wavy, bumpy line right across here that's going to come down. And then right here, I'll make a little line that's going to go up, over, and down for some butter. And then right here, I'm just going to make a little bit of like a wavy line for the butter melting. Then I'm going to add a little face. I'm going to go ahead and make a circle for an eye. We'll make another circle for an eye here. We'll add two little pupils, and then we'll make a little line that comes over, down, and up. A little line across for the tongue. Now, right over here, I'm going to make a gravy ladle. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down. It's going to come really far over. Then I'm going to curve this over. We're going to come down and then back up here. I'll make a little line that's going to go down, over, and up, and then 2 little lines down. Starting here, we'll make a little hook shape, and we're going to bring this down, and then we're just going to curve it around here. And then we can add another little face onto here. This time I'm going to make 2 little like winky face eyes. And then we're going to make a line that's going to go over. We're going to come down and up with a little curve. Next, over here I want to make some stuffing. So I'm going to begin right here by drawing a line that's just going to come down. And then I'm going to make a line that's going to come up here nice and tall. I'm going to go out and then come up. And then I'm going to bring this over. And I'm going to go down, over, and then down again. Then inside of here, I'm going to add just some bumpy lines like this. Then I'm going to make some little half square and rectangle shapes in here for like the breadcrumbs and the stuffing. I'm even going to add some ones right inside of here too. Make another one right here. And then we'll put another little face on here. I'll make a little circle for an eye. I'll make another circle for an eye here. Put some pupils in there. And then I'll make a line across with a nice big smiley face. This time I'll add some teeth across the top just to make it a little different, and then a curved line for the tongue. Now back here I want to make a really big turkey. So I'm going to start right over here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to come up, and then it's going to come down here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up. Then we'll go up again, and we'll make a little bump here. I'm going to make another bump right here. Then we're going to come down. And then I'm going to make another big curve right here. Then I'm going to make a little zigzag line across here on the drumstick. Right here, for the wing, I'm going to make a line that's going to go up, and it's going to come back, almost like an upside down L. I'm going to bring it back, and then put a little curved line here. Now I'm also going to add a face on here, so I'm going to add a nice big circle right here. Then we're going to leave some space, and we'll put another circle over here. I'm going to make this circle, and I'm going to leave just a little bit white, just so that way the eyes are a little different on this. Just so we have a little reflection. Then I'm going to make a big smile with a line that comes down and up for the mouth. We'll make a big tongue in here, and then we'll put a couple little bumps across the top for some teeth. Now over here I want to add some cranberry sauce, and we're going to make the canned cranberries. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's going to come up. Then I'm going to curve it around, and then we're going to come down. I'm going to make a little kind of broken curved line across. And then I'll add another little one right across here. And one up here too. I'm going to make a circle for an eye. And then I'll make another circle for an eye right over here. Put a little black dot inside each one. We'll make a line across, and then we're going to come down. But then I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and come around for the tongue with another little line down. And we'll draw a little line coming out. And then we'll make some little curved lines here. Now the last thing we need with our meal is going to be some pumpkin pie. So we're going to start our pumpkin pie over here. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to go up, and then we're going to come down here. I'm going to go down, and then I'm going to bring it back. And then we'll make another line that comes down here for like the crust of our pumpkin pie. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes over, and then we're going to go down just a little bit. I'm going to make a little curve with a little point on it, and then we're going to bring this down. And another little curve here. Then I'm going to bring this line down to here. We'll bring this line up. And then I'm going to make a little curved line here. And then we'll add a couple more right around here too. Now, right here, I'm going to make a little winky eye, and then we're going to make a circle for this eye. I'm going to put a little black dot in there, and then we'll make a line that goes over, and we'll just curve it up with a little line for the tongue. And there you go, there is your drawing of a fun cartoon Thanksgiving meal. So when it's all folded up, we have our little serving platter here. And then when we open it off and take the lid off, you can see we have a nice big Thanksgiving meal on the inside. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.